finally, yo, check out the weather. The weather's lovely out here in New Hampshire, you know? We in almost 80 degrees, almost 80 degrees today. I think it was 77 when I left work. So what does that mean? That means I can get back to doing car stuff. That means I can get back to working outside. It was too cold. I mean, even last week or the week before last, I think it was still like 30 to 40 degrees in the morning times, getting up, going to work. Just super cold. And then in the daytime, you might get up to 50. But we in the 70s now. We living good. And I just got something that came in the mail today. Oh, you see it? The ZZP. I ain't gonna open it just yet. Got some stuff I need to do first, but we're gonna get to unboxing this here shortly. I went ahead and already cut the box open. I haven't opened it up yet, but now we get to take a look, see what's inside. So you can see what we got. I got I ordered the ZZP 3-inch exhaust. What is this? Looks like, at least they label it. Place of Ecotech Catback. Replace. Another section. ZZP, wow. Pretty dope. Stamped logo. And I got the rear sway bar. Oh, this is pretty solid right here. So I already got an exhaust on my car already. I got the Maaaan 2.5-inch exhaust. When I initially upgraded my turbo, the guys at ZZP, they suggested with the bigger turbo setup that I get the 3-inch exhaust. And at the time, I just figured like, I'm good. I already got an exhaust on there. I should be all right. But now I figure, hey, I had my Maaaan exhaust on my car since, I think that was the first mod I did to my car. And I did that back in 2011 or 12, I believe. No, it was 2011. 2011, I put that on. So I figured, why not get a little upgrade on here. Let's see what's in this package right here. Let's see what we got. We got those. Get it all nice and hooked up. What is this? Oh, okay. I got the gasket for the exhaust. And these are for the sway bar to mount them up. All right, cool. So I got everything here. I think for everything, for the sway bar and exhaust, this ran me close to $600. I think it was like around 560 something bucks. So I'll be doing that this weekend today. I mean, I could do it today, but I just don't feel like doing it. I've been to work all day, and I just finished working out, so it's probably going to have to wait till the weekend. We got a 4-day weekend, so I'll probably knock that out. So it is finally Saturday. Oh, no, it's not. It is finally Friday, and I got the day off, so today I'll be able to go in and knock out this exhaust. But yeah, first thing I got to do, I got to go dump this trash. Then I got to rearrange the cars in my driveway. All right, so got the cars situated. Man, it is so much pollen out here. It's ridiculous how much pollen is out here.
So I'm gonna get ready to, I gotta get my my freaking little, I don't even know what you call these things, to raise it up in the back so I can get up under the car, because I don't feel like jacking it up. I could just drive it on the lifts. Yeah, the lifts. Just drive it up on the lifts and get up under the car. Probably gonna soak down the bolts with some WD-40, because I had this on my car for years, so hopefully the bolts aren't rusted on or anything. I don't think it is, but I'm gonna go in and soak them down with some WD-40 and yeah, get to removing this exhaust and putting the other one on. And while I'm under there, throw the sway bar on there as well. So then take it out for a test drive and see how it feels. So some other stuff I'm gonna be taking care of this weekend. Look, you look on my lights. Look at this. I cleared them about 2 years ago, and it's starting to peel off. And this is actually automotive clear that I sprayed on here when I resprayed my hood from one of the previous videos, if you remember. So I'm gonna be taking care of that today. Also, let me go ahead and do lights on my Genesis because it's starting to get nasty. You really can't tell on camera. I don't know if it's gonna pick up. You can see it a little bit. So probably gonna take care of both of those today, if not definitely this weekend, because I got 4 days off, so for the holidays, so I'm gonna be taking care of it. All right, but let's get up under this car. So I had to flip the car around, or turn the car around, because I couldn't get to the freaking the pipes. Couldn't get to the pipes, but I'm there now. Should be able to knock it out fairly easy. Alright, so I got this stuff. It's been soaking for a minute. So I just gotta remove these 2 bolts. That one, and then this one right up top. I don't know if you can probably can see it. And that should be it to remove the exhaust, but this is gonna be hard to get that top one up there. But I'm probably not gonna record that because it's not gonna be too fun for me. I'm already cramped as it is down here. So once I remove those and get the exhaust ready, then I'll be back for an update. Yo, it is literally like 3 hours later and I still haven't even got the exhaust off. Bolts rusted on like crazy. I got 2 of them off. There's only 3 bolts on there. Got 2 of them off. I'm on my 3rd one. I had to go pick up an extractor set. I thought I had some, but I didn't have one. I had to go to 3 different stores. Harbor Freight didn't have it. AutoZone, they didn't have them in stock for the size that I needed. Walmart didn't have it. So I ended up going to Advanced Auto Parts and I had to buy this freaking $40 extractor kit just for one freaking 14mm extractor socket. So hopefully it don't damage. If I don't damage it, I'm taking this crap right back to the store and get my money back. So I'm gonna try to do it without damaging the screw or the nut on there. So let me go ahead and take this off. I wish I could film under there, but it's like way too tight up under there. You know, you can see how I got it jacked up. But even with that, because I had to turn the car around, but even with that, it's way too tight under there. But let me go ahead and get this thing off, and once I'm done with that, should be able to get the rest, because everything else is just on the hangers, and then I'll be able to take it off. So I ran into a slight dilemma. My God, this is taking me way too long. Got everything off, got the pipes off, and now check it out. As you can see, I don't have an O2 sensor on the mid pipe, or whatever pipe you want to call it. So now, for my O2 sensor to stay working correctly and I'm not throwing any trouble codes, I gotta freaking take that pipe to a shop to get the O2 bung welded on. And the thing is, everything, well, it's Friday now. It's already after 5. Everything is closed. There's an exhaust shop like literally right around the corner from my house, and they're not open and probably not until Tuesday since Monday's a holiday. But Midas is open tomorrow. I don't know if they do any welding, so I'm gonna contact them tomorrow to see if they do some welding. Hopefully they do. That way I can just go ahead and take the pipe in, take that to them tomorrow. Hopefully they have the a bung for it, and they can weld one on there, and then I'll be able to get that installed. But yeah, that's the dilemma I'm at right now. But look how, man, it's 3-inch exhaust. You can see the difference right here from the 2.5 to the 3. Can you see it? I mean, you can see a little bit. But what I am gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and install the rest. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the pipes on, put the muffler and everything on. Go ahead and get that mounted, and yeah, it should be good to go. Other than getting that piece on. So once I get that installed, or once I get that welded, and then I could just throw that one piece in there and be good to go. But the rear sway bar, I might go ahead and put that on today. I got to see where it mounts up. I thought I had one on the rear already from the factory, but I don't. So I'm gonna get that one mounted on there, hopefully in the next hour or so, just so I can have that done. At least one thing done. It is not. Hold on. What time is it? What time is it? Hold on. Get my time right. Full 6:20. I didn't even know it was that late. I was out here since maybe 12, 1 o'clock, and it's 6:20 already. So I got everything, the pipes in there. Once I just hand tighten them. So once I get those tightened up, get the clamps, then get the resonator on there, I will be good to go. But as of right now, got all the pipes on there, got the muffler on there. Let's see how it looks. Looks pretty good. Big exhaust. I guess that's all I'm gonna do today. I was gonna do the rear sway bar, but it's already getting too late, so I'm not even gonna worry about that. Probably do it tomorrow. But I will be taking the resonator down to the muffler shop tomorrow. Hopefully Midas can weld it on. If not, then I guess I gotta wait till Tuesday to get to a shop to put the or to weld the bunghole on, and I'll be all set. Kind of sucks that I didn't get to really knock it out, but I mean, it is what it is. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'll finish it all out. All right, peace.